Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this episode, we're going to be doing the spawning of objects. So let's go ahead and make a new script. Right click in the project tab, create C# script. We're going to call it spawner. Then let's go game object, create empty. We'll call it spawner. Actually, yeah. And let's go ahead and drag it up to about I'm going to say 10. Alright, let's go ahead and create 3D object. Let's go cube. Then down in the project tab, we're going to right click, create material, call it red. I'm going to drag it onto the cube, make it red. I'm going to change the cube to indestructible, or just call it bad for simplicity's sake. And we'll go component, physics, rigid body, and what the rigid body component does is it gives it physics. So now it'll fall, make sure use gravity is on. And gorgeous. So that's all good. We'll come back to that. So let's go ahead and drag it into the project file, which will make a prefab. And then we can delete that. Let's double click on our spawner script to open that. And let's go ahead and go public transform. No, actually public game object spawnables, spawned items, and we'll put some square brackets after that. Now it's actually no, sorry, we'll put the square brackets after the game object variable. Oh, beautiful. So let's come back to here. Let's put the bad back in the scene. And let's go ahead and duplicate Control D on the material to make, we'll call it brown. Make it a brownie color. Not as bad. And we'll drag that down here. Prefab variant. Colors seem a little bit mixed up down there, but that's all good. It won't affect the actual game. So let's go ahead and open our script here. Alright, so let's go public float spawn time. And go public bool spawn. Alright, so on start we want spawn equals true. And we'll go in the update function. And the update function is spawn is every frame it's called. So we'll go if spawn, you don't have to put is true. So that it means is true, and with exclamation mark means false, just to save some time. So if spawn equals false, and we'll go spawn in all caps. Now that calls a function, so now let's go make the function. Let's go void spawn. And here we'll go instantiate here we'll go item to spawn equals we'll go int item to spawn equals random dot range 0 and spawn items dot length. Then we'll go instantiate spawned items, and here we'll pass item to spawn, and we'll go transform dot position, transform dot rotation. Here we'll go game object item equals, do that. Then here we'll go item dot transform dot position, item dot transform dot position equals dot x equals new vector 3 random dot range. So here we're gonna go public int border. I think so. We'll go minus border and 0 and 0. Alright, so we'll just go transform dot position. Alrighty. Now we'll come back, put our spawner script onto our spawner, drag in the prefabs, not as bad and bad. Spawn time, let's make it 1. Border, let's make it 5. And let's click play. Alright, so spawn needs to come up a bit more. Right, a couple things is wrong with that. Let's change this to new vector 3 0 20 0. Transform to rotation is fine. And we're also going to have to go to this function. We're going to have to go start coroutine delay. Now coroutine is basically this. You start a coroutine and then you go IE numerator delay, and this allows you to go yield return new wait for seconds spawn time, which delays it for the amount of time that you put in the brackets, and we'll go spawn equals true. Alright, let's see if that works. We're going better, we're just not getting it with the height. Now why is that? Alright, just for simplicity's sake, let's just change this back to transform dot position. And we'll sort of cheat. We'll just move our player and our camera down. All right, beautiful. So now we've got that working. In the next one, we'll probably add some sort of shooting mechanism for the character. All right, beautiful. So that's enough. That's enough for this episode. I shall see you in the next one. Bye.